Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to generate logo easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. So friends, at first we have to set up a page. To do it, you have to click on the file, then click on the new, then select answers from here, then click on this box and type at 3.5, then click on this box and type at 2, then click on the create. After set up the page, you have to select the shape tool, then you have to draw the shape in here, then you have to click on the stroke, then you have to click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK, then you have to double click on here, then you have to select the black color, then click on the OK, then you have to go to the properties, then you have to click on here, then increase the size of the stroke, then select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here, then press and hold the shift, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here, then you have to select this, then you have to drag this in here, then you have to select the shape tool, then select the rectangle tool, then you have to draw the shape in here, then click on the stroke, then disable the stroke, then select the move tool, then select this, then you have to press and hold alt key, then take a copy from this, then drag this in here, then you have to select this, then decrease the size of this, then select this, then decrease the size of this, then drag this in here, after that you have to select the shape tool again, then you have to select this tool, then click on here, then you have to click on this box and type at 3, then click on the OK, then press and hold the shift key, then you have to change the direction of this, then you have to select this and drag this in here, then decrease the size of this, then select this, then you have to decrease the size of this again, then you have to select this, then press Ctrl plus C button from keyboard, then press Ctrl plus V button from keyboard, then drag this in here, then select this and drag this in here, then you have to select this and drag this in here, then you have to select all layers, then select the shape builder tool, then press and hold alt key, then you have to select this area, then you have to press and hold alt key again, then select this area, then select the move tool, then select this layers and drag this layers in here, then you have to select this, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select this and rotate this, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here, then you have to select the move tool, then select this and select the gradient tool, then click on here, then increase the size of this, then you have to rotate this, then decrease the size of this, then drag this in here, then select the move tool, then select this again, then select the gradient tool, then you have to select this, then click on the fill, then you have to select this color, then you have to go to the color option, then select this color from here, then you have to select this, then click on the fill again, then go to the color option, then select this color from here, then select this and drag this in here, then you have to increase the size of this again, then drag this in here, then select this, then click on the fill again, then go to the color option, then change the color of this, then select the move tool, then you have to select this and select the eyedropper tool, then click on here, then select the move tool. After that you have to select this layer, then drag this layer in here, then you have to select this and drag this in here, then select this and go to the layer panel, and click on here, then lock this, then you have to select these layers, then you have to press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this, then drag this in here, then decrease the size of this again, then drag this in here, Then drag these layers in here. Then you have to select the text tool, then you have to click on here, then type the company name in here. Then you have to select this, then click on here, then you have to select this color, then go to the color option, then adjust the color from here. Then select the move tool, then select this, then double click on here, then select this text, then click on here, then you have to select this font style, then click on here, then click on the space button, then you have to click on here, then click on the space button again, then select the move tool, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here. After that, you have to go to the layer panel again, then you have to unlock this layer, then select all layers, then increase the size of this, then you have to click on the file, then click on the export, then click on the export as, then you have to select the location, then type the logo name, then you have to select the PNG format, then click on export, then select 300 ppi, then select transparent, then click on the OK. After exporting the logo, you have to open the Adobe Photoshop. So I am opening the Adobe Photoshop from my PC. After opening the Adobe Photoshop, you have to open the logo mockup. So I am opening this mockup. After opening the logo mockup, you have to double click on here. Then you have to double click on here. Then select the logo, then click on the backspace. Then you have to open the exported logo. Then select this and drag this in here. Then set this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to press Ctrl plus S1 from keyboard. Then you have to close these layers. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.